What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Cassie here with your Saturday, February 23rd Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. We are stepping up to the plate with our snowmaking last night. Thankfully, our team saw a window of opportunity and took it, allowing us to blow snow up at Smith Walton, Roper's Road, and the top of Minuteman. We will have every trail open with the exception of Balance Rock. Right now we're experiencing a bluebird with temps in the 20s, and clouds will roll in later in the day with temps increasing to a high of 39 with little to no winds.
Hi, good morning folks. Why aren't you out here? It's a beautiful day here at Wachusett. Look at the conditions. The sun is shining. It's going to be warm. It's the end of the vacation week. Come on out before the rain starts to wash it away again.
Come and purchase a 3-day Learn to Ski or Ride package between now and Monday. You will be entered to win 2 tickets to a private Mumford & Sons concert on the mountain or a 2-night getaway to Jay Peak. The drawing will be held on Tuesday, February 26th. And join us over at the park for our all-women event, open to any and all levels of skiing and riding. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all of our social media, and I will ski you on the slopes.